I got my bottle of Produxa Friday, washed the truck, waxed it in about an hour, hour and a half. Didn't use but very little out of the bottle. And I tell you what, this stuff does what they say it's gonna do. It's effortless to put on. You shake the bottle up, spray it on, use the sponge applicator, and use the terry cloth towels they give you to buff it off. And it really gives the truck a deep, dark, rich shine to it. I was kind of skeptical. I've been washing and waxing cars for years. But I tell you what, this stuff does what they say it's gonna do. Hands down, it's some of the best wax that I've ever used. My wife bought a brand new car. We paid $700 and some at the dealership to have it with some kind of lifetime treatment, 7-year treatment thing on it. But I tell you what, it does not shine like the Produxa does. It is well worth the money. Anybody that's thinking about getting it, buy it. You'll be satisfied.